Hey guys, DanCBearded here. I apologize if there's an echo. I'm just on my phone here in the bathroom. There's not good acoustics, but we'll make the best out of it. And today I am here to trim my beard down to I'm just kidding. I'm just showing you guys a simple cleanup. I am at a period of growth right now. I'm gonna see kind of how big I can go with my beard, and as long as I enjoy the look, I'm gonna keep going without any major trims. But along that process, you need to clean up your neck around the beard. And I'm gonna show you guys how I do that. I get asked all the time about my neckline, about the sides, and that's what this video is about today. So what do I use for that? I just use my Brio Beardscape. This is not a sponsored video. I'm not paid to do this. They're not saying show off our product. They have no idea I'm making this video. This is just truly what I use here. So I'm gonna show you guys how I clean up the sides and then even underneath my neck, and I'll kind of explain that. And to be honest, this is really simple. I would do this every couple of weeks as stuff builds up. So I'm gonna be looking here at the mirror, especially this side. You guys are gonna get a good view of it. On the other side, you'll kind of have to just remember what I did, and I'll even be able to show you guys a comparison. So what I'm doing is I'm gonna do the fastest speed with the guard as low as it can go on the Brio. Apparently they have a zero gap guard coming out pretty soon, or a zero gap blade, and I'm really excited about that because this would go perfect for what I'm doing right now with a zero gap blade. So I'm gonna turn this on. I'm gonna work on the side here. So I'm gonna show you guys how you can see if I move my beard to the side, I'm a hairy dude, right? My beard and my neck hair from my head hair are going to connect if I don't do anything about it. My neckline and my chest hair are gonna connect if I don't do anything about it, and I like to make a clear distinction, especially right here when it's really visible. The neck, I don't really have to do anything, but I'll show you what I do. So I'm gonna hold my hair to the side because I wanna make sure I don't get my beard. The only way you can really mess this up is by gouging a little side of your beard. So be cautious, take your time, go with little bits and safe lines rather than being aggressive with it. So turn this on, move my mullet out of the way. And if you guys have noticed there, I am growing a mullet too, and I am very excited about it. I'll call it a modern mullet. All right, so I'm gonna move the hair to the side, and then I'm going to be attacking this hair right here. So mullet, kind of push that back a little bit, and I'm just going over that hair. Now notice where my beard line is. I personally don't want to touch that. So going here, and I'm going down. And you'll notice my skin turns red. I do have sensitive skin, so that is one thing, right? Certain scents with spices like cinnamon and clove, they do affect my skin, just like probably a lot of you do. But if you notice here, it's nice and clean. Got a nice little distinct line. I'm gonna do the other side in just a second, but let me show you this. As compared to this, right? Big difference on that one. So I'm gonna do the other side here. You guys remembered what I did there. I'll just do it real quick over here. All right, nice little clean line. Okay, now the next one is my neckline. I do not touch the neckline of my beard, but I do like to clean up those chest hairs that are gonna be creeping up. So I'm gonna show you guys. I don't know if I've ever done this on a video. I'm gonna show you guys my underbeard and what my neckline looks like. All right, so you can see my neckline, nice and full. It's below my Adam's apple, but I do have all of this. And that is not a part of my beard. That will never be a supporting actor. That is essentially chest hairs that are creeping up, wanting to join the beard club, but they are not a part of the beard club. So I'm gonna take this up here, and then I'm simply just gonna go, and I normally have my shirt off when I do this, but you guys don't wanna see all this, so I'll just keep that on right now. So I'm gonna get my beard ready. You can use a hair clip. I'm just gonna use my hand today. Pull the shirt down. And the key thing is make sure you have all your beard right there. I missed a little spot, and rather than try to work around this that's hanging out, is just go back and redo. See, nice and clean. Everything's back to normal. Give you guys a little combing right here. A little ASMR action. Okay. And to me, that is how you clean up a neck beard. Cleaning up the hair on the side that's on my neck and then underneath so it's not connecting to those chest hairs. Now again, I do this when I notice it. I don't really time it out like, oh, it's been 2.5 weeks, time to clean up the neck beard. I just go, oh yeah, looking a little scraggly over there. Let me go in and clean that up. And I think this helps give a more dialed in presentation to your beard, to the hair, to everything. It just makes it look clean. So for me, that's how I clean up the neck beard. So to leave you guys with, let me know if you have any questions. Let me know if you have any comments, and especially add something down below with what you do. Do you do the same thing? Pretty simple. Do you use a straight razor? Do you not touch it? Do you have a different thought on it? I would love to hear that, and I know a lot of the guys that are going to go read those comments would love to hear it. So thank you guys. DanCBearded as always. Stay bearded and stay positive.